nakita niyo yung reel na pinost ko. It's also related sa Daily Bread today na kahit ilang beses na natin binetray si Jesus sa buong buhay natin, kahit ilang beses na tayong gumawa ng mali sa buhay natin, He still chose to love us. He still chose to show humility to us, to serve us kahit makasalanan ka, kahit gumagawa ka pa rin ng mali after you've known Him, you believe in Him. And it's very unfair sa atin kasi we don't deserve it. We don't deserve to love. We don't deserve to be loved. Yet Jesus showed it to us anyway, na kahit na marumi tayo, ginawa pa rin ni Lord na linisin tayo sa ating mga kasalanan. That's grace. Something we don't deserve, yet binigay pa rin sa atin. That's the beauty of the gospel. Beauty of the good news. Kaya this Holy Week and even on the ordinary days, we should never stop preaching the gospel. We should never stop sharing what Jesus did on us. That it will never ever be based on our own works to get saved, but by only what Jesus did on the cross. Okay? So yun lang po. God bless po sa inyo.